Both book and notebook. Take out both the things, book and notebook. Both in your books, page number, in your maths book, page number 163, and take out maths notebook also, new page. In maths notebook, new page. Okay.
दीदी इधर आओ।
क्या करवाना है दीदी से मेहुल? क्या मेहुल दीदी का? हाँ मेहुल, बुला रहे हो दीदी को? हाँ मेहुल, दीदी का क्या काम है? इधर बुला के क्या करना है दीदी को? मेहुल, दीदी से क्या करवाना है?
Ma'am, I want to. Ma'am, I say Didi to buy, bring Ludo table.
अच्छा. See now. Read as see, or if you can say in the book, page number 163 in your book. Look at the graph for the number of car thefts in a city during a week each. So you can do one thing. Write question A. Write question A. Write this. Read graph from book page 163. Write this. I can change the question also. So better if you write the question also. First question is how many cars were stolen on Wednesday? So I'm changing it to how many cars wait, let me spotlight this. How many cars were stolen on Thursday?
Ma'am, you are without sunglasses today. Ma'am, your glasses.
बेटा sunglasses का क्या करूँगी मैं? हाँ? Abhi don't write anything. I'm not just write down all the questions first of all. Note down this in your notebooks. Question we will see from book. Leave one line here. You have to leave one line here. Leave one or two line at least in between. How many?
Ma'am, it is on which page number?
It's everything is written. Summer, I hope you can read it.
Page number.
How many more cars? चोरी हो रही है बहुत कार. Was stolen on
Tuesday.
On Tuesday, then Wednesday. नहीं, on Tuesday.
On Monday, then on Tuesday.
Then Wednesday. बेटा इसमें पूरा आंसर नहीं लिखते हैं. We just write down only that simple word. सिर्फ word लिखते हैं. If you remember the last time in third class, we just write only the words. Write down the third question. On which day minimum thefts take place? Thefts and maximum thefts took place. I changed it into only one question itself. मैंने इसे पूरा एक question बना दिया. The fourth one is Yeah. Fourth one will be Chalo, do these three. Solve all the write these three. ग्राफ आपको कहाँ से देखना है? बुक में से देखना है, पेज नंबर 163 पर.
I'm in the second question after what you have written.
हाँ?
I'm in question 2 after cars were what you have written.
Cars were stolen. Stolen. Stolen means चोरी होना. Write these questions. I've changed the questions. The ones given in your book, I've changed them. Question A is there, question B is there. Only 2 questions are there. Then we have the pie graph also. Cover the second question also. Okay, see. First one, how many cars were stolen on Thursday? If you see the graph here in your books, if you see the graph, it is on page number 163. If you can see this graph, this one, right? This graph, if you can see, how many cars were on Thursday? So if you see the Thursday column, if you can see the Thursday column, this is the Thursday column. Thursday column, mein how many cars are there? How many cars are there? 40. 40. How many cars are there? 40. Where is Thursday? Sorry. There is 50. Okay, don't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 50 cars. So, how many cars were stolen on Thursday? 50 cars. Don't write 5. It will be 50 cars. Okay, now, see the next question. Next question is, how many more cars were stolen on Tuesday than Wednesday? अब Tuesday का ये रहा column. Tuesday का ये रहा और Wednesday का ये रहा. Tuesday में कितने हैं? Tuesday में there are 20. And in Wednesday there are, in Wednesday there is only 10. So 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10 is equals to 10 cars. On which day minimum theft and maximum theft took place? You have to tell on which day the minimum theft took place and on which day maximum theft took place. So you will write minimum. On which day minimum is there? सबसे कम किस दिन है?
On Wednesday.
On Tuesday. नहीं, Tuesday नहीं, Wednesday. Minimum it is on Wednesday. And maximum is on सबसे ज्यादा कब है?
Ma'am, Thursday.
Ma'am,
in first question after stolen on in book, ma'am, there is written Wednesday.
Beta, I told you, Samar, I told you I changed the questions. I have changed all the questions from the book. Book वाले अलग करने हैं और notebook वाले अलग करने हैं. These are the notebook questions. ये notebook questions हैं. Book वाले questions are different. Because very less number of questions are given. Done? All of you have done? Take out your books. In books also we'll complete this question. How many cars were stolen on Wednesday? In book. This is the only the book work. Let's complete the book work also. Book में question अलग थे. Book का पहला question जो है, first question जो है, how many cars were stolen on Wednesday? Tell me, how many cars were stolen on Wednesday? So
Ma'am,
you put
10.
10 cars. Answer will be 10 cars. Right in front of it. Right in front of it. Right question. How many more cars were stolen on Monday then on Tuesday? Monday को Tuesday से कितनी ज़्यादा cars stolen हुई हैं? First tell me how many cars were stolen on Tuesday? Monday. Sorry, Monday.
10 cars. Ma'am, on Monday there's 30 and ma'am on Tuesday
There are 20. Right? So answer will be 10 cars. 10 cars more. Right, 10 cars more. Write like this. Now the third question is, on which day maximum theft took place? Again the same question is, maximum theft took place on Thursday.
Thursday.
and
Thursday,
minimum was
you right?
Wednesday.
On Thursday. And when did the minimum took place? It's on Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. It's not Wednesday. Do it quickly. Jaldi se karo. C from your C. Write question B. This in your notebook. Notebook में ऐसे ही लिखो. Read graph from book page number 163. Okay, what is given on the graph? Look at the graph for the amount of money spent 5 things in a marriage celebration. Each of unit for rupees 5,000. How? See, क्या हुआ? Clothes के ऊपर 35,000 rupees spent हुए हैं. Food के ऊपर 20,000 rupees were spent. And on jewelry it is 50,000 rupees. Tent house के ऊपर there is rupees 20,000 and flowers के ऊपर there is 10,000. If you can see this graph.
No, ma'am, on tent it was spent 15,000.
हाँ, it's 15,000. चलो, ठीक है? 15,000 and then in 10,000. You can see this one.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the graph given to you. Money
ma'am.
spent in a marriage. Okay, this is the money spent in a marriage. So what they are asking? Okay, let me write here. Write question number 1. How much money spent on it? Okay, answer 1 I'll write here itself. So I'm writing all the questions here. Answer I will write here. Okay, so I'm writing all the questions together. How much money is spent on tent? Let me bring it closer. How much money is spent on tent? Then how much less money spent on flowers there? This is question 2. Question 3 is maximum minimum वाला हो गया. How much? Which item has least expenses? Question 4 is how much more money?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of third one?
Third one, which I least का मतलब होता है सबसे कम. Least मतलब सबसे कम. How much more money spent on
Flowers.
How much more money spent on clothes? Then which
He is not taking attendance.
how much money spent on jewelry and clothes?
Ma'am, 5 questions.
Yes, 5 questions. They are different what is given in book. So be careful. Okay.
You will
Do it quickly.
tell the answer.
We'll discuss the answer in the next period of this one. This we have, here we finish this exercise. We'll do the pie charts in the next period. And that is the chapter also will be finished.
Ma'am, it was too small chapter.
Yes, it is very small. That's why I've given you these so that you can prepare it well.